I'm Heather.
And I'm Mariah.
And this is
Building My Veggie Garden.
Hi, welcome. Mariah, today we're going to talk about composting. Do you know what composting is?
It's like you put something in a bowl. It's like scraps of food that you have left over. You put it in a bowl, and you put it in here, and it can turn into compost when you do it.
So we take our banana peels, we take our potato skins, eggshells,
Apple bites.
apples, half-eaten apples, coffee grounds. All of these things are wonderful things
And eggshell.
Yes, eggshells are wonderful. So all these things we don't want to put in our garbage. We want to make compost out of it. And so, Mariah, will you show them what we do? We have this in our kitchen for a day or two. And then once it gets filled up, we take it out here to our compost bin.
And then we dump it, which I really like.
That's right. So we dump our scraps in here. Very good.
I put all the scraps in here.
That's right.
And that half-eaten apple.
Yes. So that is our green material. Our scraps are our green material, but we also need brown material in order for it to break down to create this awesome soil that we're going to use. So we've got our green material. Now I'm going to go grab this brown material, which is basically any yard waste that you have. Pistachio shells, nut shells, all those things are considered good brown waste. So we put some of this in here. And then we turn it. Thank you. So what we do once we get all this stuff in here, we turn it.
Can I try?
So composting can take as little as, say, a couple of weeks, or it could take a few months depending on where you live. Do you know how long it takes here, Mariah, for us to create compost here in mid-Florida or South Florida?
About 3 or 2 weeks.
That's right. It's very warm here, and the warmer it is, the faster it decomposes. So every day we come out here, we dump our scraps. We turn it over about every 2 days. And then in about 2 weeks, if it's been nice and warm, we will have soil that is broken down. We use this soil, Mariah, for what? What do we use this soil for? Yes, for our plants. And why is it good for our plants?
Because it gives us vitamins and nutrients to grow.
That's right. Compost is pretty much like really good food for plants. So we take the compost and we put it over our plants, and it's got all kinds of vitamins and minerals, that's going to help that plant do the best that it can. So Mariah, let's take a little bit right now and let's go put some over on our chayote. So when we plant our chayote or any other plants, when we put it in the hole, we put some of that compost in there with it, which helps give it plenty of nutrients. Mariah, I have had so much fun today talking about chayotes and talking about composting, but I think we've run out of time. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Keep fighting the battle of the veggies.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.